So good day and welcome to another session. Today we want to look at Office 365 form features and very important feature that can help you to automate some of your tasks and conduct sample quizzes and other such features. This is my screen that I will be working with to access the form feature in Office 365. You go to the switcher tab and you go to forms. In the event that you have a form that you no longer need, you can always delete it by clicking on the more form actions. You can copy, you can delete, or you can move. So let's just delete this one. Click continue. So now we have the option here of creating a new form or a new quiz. You can look at those forms that were shared with me or group forms. Okay. Today we're going to be using the my forms. So let's go to new form, and with any form you have to insert a title. Let's call today's title my favorite book in the Bible. And for the purpose of this demo, let's just call it New Testament books. Okay, so from here you also have the option of inserting an image. So if you were building a form for a company, this is where you put the company branding, such as their logo. Okay, good. Let's add a question, and we have the option here of using choice, text, rating, date, and we can also use ranking and Likert and net promoter score. But let's use choice now. Your favorite gospel. Let's say it's Mark. Let's start with Matthew, Mark, and then we can add options. Luke, and let's finally say John. Good. So here I have my 4 options. Interestingly, you have the option here of using multiple answers or just a single answer. So you notice when it's at the single answer, you utilizing the option box. When you change to multiple answer, it changes to a text box. Okay. The shuffle options is in the event that you want to shuffle your responses based on the user. So some persons will see Matthew, Mark, Luke, John. Some person may see John, Luke, Mark, John. Some may see Mark, Luke, John, and Matthew. Okay, depending on your environment. Let's add another question. Yesterday, right? Let's do a text. Who is your favorite apostle? So here we're given the end user an option to write a short answer, as it is by default, or you can say long answer. So notice, short answer, the text box is this size. Long answer, you're giving them more space to work with. Let's just work with short answer for now. Add one more question. This time I'm going to use the Likert. Likert is very good. Let's think of a question that I could ask. What makes the Bible interesting? And gives the truth. So here, normally in a real world situation, you would probably put things like highly recommended. So I'm going to change my question. Would you recommend reading the Bible? And here we have the option highly recommended. Probably. No. So you have up to 5 options. If you don't need 5, then you can delete. Would you recommend reading the Bible? Gospel. So would you recommend reading the Gospel? Would you recommend reading the Epistles? And finally, do you recommend reading the Apocalyptic book? Good. So here we have 3 options, okay? So here we have a completed form. Next thing that we can do with this form is to put a theme. Notice we have different themes right here. In a professional environment, if you have your own theme, customized theme, then you could also add it. Which one should I use? I like orange, but I'm going to use green today. So I've added my theme. Let's do a preview. So this is what it looks like. I have the option here for the computer and the mobile. So this is what it looks like on your mobile phone. Back to my computer. Let's go back. Apart from theme, you have the option here of sharing. So you can share using a regular link, QR code, that's your barcode. You can embed it into your website or a SharePoint site, or you can send by email. You can also share it as a template, and you also have the option here of collaborating with other users. Good. One other thing here that is important is the settings. So depending on what you're looking for, you can have 1 response per user, and then you can have a start date and an end date. So that is useful. Okay, so that's it. Preview. Matthew, Mark, your favorite apostle. I like Brother Peter, and I highly recommend the Gospel, and I highly recommend the Apocalyptic book. And I'm going to submit, and there you go. Your response was submitted. Very easy, very lovely. That was it. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe. Bye-bye.